In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to translate your designs into different languages using the built-in translation feature. It's a quick process that'll help you reach audiences around the world. First, let's access the design you want to translate by opening it from your dashboard. You'll find the Apps menu in the left sidebar. Go ahead and click on that to access additional tools. Now use the search bar to find the Translate app, then select it from the results to get started. Here's where you'll pick which language you want to translate into. Browse through the options and select your target language. This is optional, but you can customize how the translation sounds by adjusting the tone of voice setting to match your brand or style. You have full control over what gets translated. Simply highlight the specific text boxes or entire pages you want to convert. When you're ready, hit the Translate button, and the app will automatically convert your selected content into the language you chose. And just like that, your design is now available in multiple languages, making it accessible to a much wider audience. To save or distribute your translated design, click the Share button, where you'll find options to download or share it directly. Great work! You now know how to translate any design quickly and easily. Feel free to run through this again anytime you need a refresher.